And now we have breaking news. No, sorry. It's just time for Mr. Aeen's stupid jokes. Sorry, you guys. I really apologize. Not really. Hey, I have many jokes about unemployed people. Sadly, none of them work. Hi! Good morning, math students. It's Monday, March 23rd, 2020. It's the start of the second week of distant learning. If we were in school right now, it would be like period 1. So this video is about our new lesson from chapter 8, lesson 1. It's called function table. To make it easier to understand, think about a function table as a machine. You put stuff in this machine, and the machine takes this stuff and turns it into something else. It's like this. Come with me. First, we're gonna say hi to the cat. His name is Baby Kitty. Say hi, Baby Kitty, everyone. Check out my amazing machine. It's called Mr. Aeen's Cool Machine. So I'm gonna put stuff in it, and then it's gonna take that stuff and turn it to something else. Amazing. Okay, now we're gonna use Mr. Aeen's Cool Machine. So I'm gonna open up the machine. This is the area. This is the input area. So I'm gonna put stuff here in this container. What stuff? Right here, water. So this machine, this amazing machine takes water. I'm gonna put some water here without spilling, hopefully. Okay, now I'm gonna close the machine. Okay, now the machine is gonna do something right now to the water. You wanna know what? It's gonna turn the water into something else. It's gonna be so amazing, you guys. Watch. Right here. That water I just put in there. Whoa, it turned it into ice. Amazing. Cool, huh? So that's what a function table does. It's like a machine. You put stuff in it and it turns it into something else. Wow, mind blown. And what do we have out here in the wild? What is it? Is it a panther? Oh no, it's a giant kitty. Looks like a panda bear. It's a panda bear. Okay, so now turn to page 583 and let's try number 1. Watch my YouTube video several times to learn the lesson. You can also ask questions all week long during our Zoom video conferences. Some of you not going on that. Okay, so take a look. First column is your input column. So this is where you put stuff in the machine. So for this lesson, we're gonna put numbers in the machine. So we're gonna put a number 0. And what does the machine do? The machine takes your number, multiplies it by 3, and then adds 5 to it. That's what the machine does every time. Only this machine. Different machines or functions will do different things. But for number 1, that's all we're gonna do. So you put the number where the X is, you multiply by 3. So you do 3 times 0, which is 0. Then you add 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. So the machine gives you 5. If you put 0 in the machine or in the function, it turns it into 5. That's what it does. Okay, let's do the next one, 3. So you put 3 in the function and you multiply by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then you add 5 to it. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, and then we have one more. So now we put 9 in the machine or the function, and the function multiplies it by 3. So 9 times 3, that's 27. And then you add 5 to the 27, and that's going to give you 32. Okay, So that's basically how a function table works.
And now, we have breaking news. No, sorry. It's just time for Mr. Aeen's stupid jokes. Sorry, you guys. I really apologize. Not really.
Hey, you guys. To be frank, I have to change my name.
All right, class. Take a look at this problem. This is number 3 from page 583. Now look at this table. This function table is a little bit different. Notice that the input column is empty. That means the machine already gave us 2, 3, and 8, but we don't know what went in the machine. We don't know the numbers that we put in the machine. But no problem, it's easy. All you do is you do the expression, you do the inverse operation. You just solve it backwards. So you're going to start out with the output number, and instead of saying plus 2, do the opposite or inverse. So you're going to say 2 minus 2. Okay, and then if you have 3, you're going to say 3 minus 2. So instead of plus 2, do the opposite. Run the machine backwards to see what you put in the machine first. Okay, and then if you have 8, if that was the answer, just do it backwards. So you do 8 minus 2. Okay, now when you solve it, you put the answers in the input. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now you can check it to make sure you did it right. All you do is you run the machine normally now. You say, okay, if I put 0 here and I say 0 plus 2, what do I get? 2. So you did it right. What about 1? 1 plus 2, 3. What about 6? 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so sometimes you have to solve the function tables backwards. Just do the opposite of what the expression says. Inverse operation, okay?
And now, we have breaking news. No, sorry. It's just time for Mr. Aeen's stupid jokes. Sorry, you guys. I really apologize. Not really.
So what do you call a broken can opener?
Okay, class, let's do one more problem. This is number 4, page 583. Now, this one looks like we have to run the machine backwards. That means we have to solve the function table backwards. Why? Because we already have the answers. We have the output numbers. We don't know what we put in the machine or input. See, we don't know what we put in the machine. See, input. All right, I'm over it. So we're going to take 18 and we're going to go through the expression opposite and backwards. Okay, so opposite and backwards. So that means instead of multiplying by 2 and adding 4, you're going to subtract 4 and then divide by 2. Okay, so you have to run it backwards. So backwards and opposite or inverse. Okay, so it looks like 18. So instead of adding 4, you're going to subtract 4. Okay, so 18 minus 4, that's 14. And then instead of multiplying by 2, you're going to divide by 2. So you're going to take 14 and you're going to divide it by 2 and you're going to get 7. So you put that 7 here. See? And if you want to know if you did it right, run the machine the normal way. So you would say 7 times 2, which is 14, plus 4, which is 18. So you know you did it right. Okay, let's do the next one, 22. So remember, you're going to run the expression backwards and opposite. So you're going to say 22. You're going to put the 22 here. And backwards, no. So from right to left, not left to right. So you're going to go, instead of plus 4, minus 4. So that's going to give you 18. And then, instead of times 2, divided by 2. So you're going to say 18 divided by 2, which is 9. Put the 9 right here and double check it. Okay, 9 times 2, 18 plus 4, 22. So yeah, we did it right. Okay, last one. So we're going to take 34, run the expression backwards and opposite. So 34 minus 4, which is 30. And then instead of times 2, divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, which is 15. Put your answer right there and double check it. So 15 times 2, 30, plus 4, 34. You did it right. Okay, so just remember, when you get the output numbers first, you got to solve it backwards and opposite.
And now, we have breaking news. No, sorry. It's just time for Mr. Aeen's stupid jokes. Sorry, you guys. I really apologize. Not really.
What did the janitor say when he jumped out of the closet?